subspaces will be live and we'll have truly decentralized cypherpunk naming on Bitcoin.
The idea of like how these off-chain handles work is, let's say you're the owner of like @Bitcoin and you want to issue like a bunch of handles off-chain. So you add them all to like some sort of like a tree, and then you take the hash, and this hash you submitted on Bitcoin, and this essentially commits to the names that you've added, and that way you can't revoke them later. And let's say you want to add a bunch more handles afterwards. So you update this tree, compute the new hash, and then commit the new root on chain. And this creates like a bunch of proofs of chain that basically says the new hash is not double spending or not reissuing names that they have already issued and like in all the previous commitments. And these proofs could get like very large. And this is why we use like zero knowledge proofs. So we compress all of these hashes into a small certificate that could be referenced off chain to show the proof of ownership. So the subs tool helps you do all of this. It has like instructions that you could follow and play along with it and see how all of it works. And it has like a subs proof command which generates a Stark proof, which is about like 250 kilobytes, and you could compress this even further into about 1.5 kilobytes, which generates like the root certificate for the space, which proves that the commitment that they have made on chain, as well as all the previous handles that they have issued, they did not double spend in any of these. And this essentially could be referenced in like Fabric. And the handle owner just gets a certificate which shows that their handle is included in one of those commitments that are on chain. So it's very cool because like it has a very low on-chain footprint. So it doesn't matter how many handles you're creating. It could be 1,000, it could be 1 billion. And all you need is to just commit this 32-byte hash on Bitcoin. And all the handle owners get a certificate, which is their ownership proof that they could use to sign things, essentially creating like a web of trust, a more modern version of like a web of trust with like a sovereign handle that's memorable, and instead of like using public keys directly.